This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the checkout password on your PlayStation 5. So if you're trying to buy something through the PlayStation Store and there's a password requirement, you can easily turn this off. But you do need to know the password to turn it off. Let's go on over to the PlayStation Store, go on down, and then go up to the top. And then go on over to the three little dots for more options. And then we want to go to Purchase Settings right here. And then we'll have an option to turn on or off the password requirement for checkout right here. And this will prevent any unauthorized purchases on your PlayStation account. So just uncheck mark this and you should be good to go. Now you can see actually I didn't need to actually type in a password to turn off. So if you want to go ahead and just turn that off, you don't have to type in a password. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.